after you get a placement, you have to make sure that you're not lost on their wine list. I have more than 550 wines on the wine list, and I have more than 50 wines by the glass. It's very easy to get lost on that wine list. So you have to be able to maintain the sales for those wines on those individual accounts. And this is where your sales force really has to get out there and sell the product every day. Look at what's selling and look at what's not selling, and go and taste the staff on what's not selling and give them the tools they need to sell it. You can do this different ways. Offering exclusives. We have some wines that we sell that are special bottlings, special blends that were created just for us. We're the only ones allowed to sell them in our chain, and some of them are limited time purchases. You can decide on exclusives if it's a one-time purchase, if it's a limited time purchase. I'm so sorry. Or if you want to do it as a deadline to order, you can put deadlines on orders as well. But allocations are allocating enough product that we can sell it for a certain amount of time, and then it's over, and then we change it. There's also custom winery bottling. In addition to creating blends just for us, we have people that do a special label, their wine label, not our label, but they make it special for us. The special blend, the special cuvee. I can't tell you what some of them are, but I might tell you privately later if you ask me. But we have some bottles that are really just sold in for us to our market, which is the same kind of thing as a custom label. It just doesn't have our logo on it. Currently, we don't have our custom logo on anything, but certainly some of our casual concepts within our company probably will be open to that. I don't know that they've ever been approached before, but we, not only Capital Grille, we have a lot of casual concepts that we own as well, who would conceivably be very open to having their logo on a bottle for the house blend. Just making sure with that, if it's a house blend, making sure it fits the concept. And again, that thing with the consistent product, very important. Or the worst thing would be getting a bad rap, because if the sales team at the restaurant level, the servers and the bartenders, don't like your wine, they won't be selling it. If the wine directors don't like your wine, they'll be complaining to corporate, and your wine will probably be removed from the core list if it's not a good product. So just keep all that in mind before you propose anything, because I know all of you have products that are wonderful and amazing, and that's what you want to sell to us. And we want it.